Neptune 9.1 has officially arrived. And if you've been searching for a Linux distribution that focuses on stability without sacrificing a polished desktop experience, this release deserves your attention. While many Linux distributions are racing to include the newest experimental features, Neptune has always taken a different approach. It combines the rock-solid foundation of Debian stable with carefully selected updates, creating an operating system that feels modern while remaining dependable for everyday use. In this first look, we're exploring what Neptune 9.1 brings to the table, who it's designed for, and whether it deserves a place on your computer in 2026. One of the biggest strengths of Neptune has always been its philosophy. Instead of constantly reinventing itself, the project focuses on delivering a refined desktop experience that simply works. Neptune 9.1 continues that tradition by building on Debian 13, Trixie, giving users access to one of the most stable Linux foundations available today. This means you get years of testing behind the software stack, reliable package management, and excellent hardware compatibility. For users who prioritize productivity over constant change, that's an important advantage. The installation experience is straightforward and welcoming. Neptune 9.1 uses the Calamaris installer, which has become one of the easiest Linux installers available. Whether you're installing alongside Windows, replacing an existing Linux distribution, or setting up a completely new system, the installation process is simple enough for beginners, while still offering advanced partitioning options for experienced users. Within minutes, you're greeted by a clean KDE Plasma desktop that's both attractive and highly customizable. The first boot immediately gives a premium impression. KDE Plasma continues to be one of the most visually polished desktop environments in the Linux ecosystem, and Neptune enhances it with its own carefully designed theme, wallpapers, icons, and desktop layout. Everything feels cohesive, from the login screen to the application launcher. Rather than overwhelming users with unnecessary visual effects, Neptune strikes a balance between elegance and performance. The desktop feels modern without becoming distracting. Performance is another area where Neptune 9.1 shines. KDE Plasma has become remarkably lightweight over the past several years, and on Neptune it runs smoothly even on older hardware. Desktop animations remain fluid, applications launch quickly, and overall responsiveness is excellent. On newer systems equipped with SSDs and modern processors, the experience feels incredibly fast. Even users upgrading from Windows may be surprised by how responsive the operating system feels during everyday tasks. Hardware support has also received attention in this release. Thanks to the updated Linux kernel included with Neptune 9.1, users benefit from improved compatibility with newer AMD and Intel processors, enhanced support for recent graphics hardware, better Wi-Fi chipset compatibility, and numerous driver improvements. Whether you're installing Neptune on a laptop, desktop, mini PC, or workstation, chances are your hardware will be recognized automatically without requiring additional configuration. Bluetooth devices, printers, webcams, and external storage generally work immediately after installation. Software availability remains one of Neptune's strongest selling points. Because it's based on Debian, users have access to one of the largest software repositories in the Linux world. Popular applications such as Firefox, LibreOffice, VLC Media Player, GIMP, Krita, Thunderbird, and countless development tools can all be installed with just a few clicks. Neptune also supports Flatpak applications, allowing users to access the latest versions of modern software directly from FlatHub. This combination provides both stability and flexibility, letting users choose between thoroughly tested packages and cutting-edge applications. Multimedia support has traditionally been an area where Neptune distinguishes itself. Unlike some Linux distributions that require users to manually install codecs after setup, Neptune aims to provide an experience that's ready for entertainment from day one. Playing videos, listening to music, streaming online content, and working with common multimedia formats generally works without additional effort. This makes the distribution particularly attractive for users who simply want their computer to function immediately after installation. Another noticeable improvement in Neptune 9.1 is overall system polish. Small details often determine whether an operating system feels professional, and Neptune pays attention to those details. Default applications are chosen carefully to avoid unnecessary duplication. System settings are organized logically, and the desktop environment feels consistent throughout. Instead of filling the menu with dozens of similar utilities, Neptune provides a curated selection of applications that cover everyday computing needs without cluttering the system. Security remains an important advantage of using Debian as the foundation. Neptune benefits from Debian's well-established security infrastructure, ensuring that important patches are delivered quickly while maintaining system stability. Regular updates include security fixes, bug corrections, and performance improvements without introducing unnecessary risks. For users who depend on their computers for work, education, or business, this reliability provides significant peace of mind. Developers will also find Neptune 9.1 to be an excellent workstation. Programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, Rust, and Go are readily available through Debian's repositories, while popular development environments like Visual Studio Code, Kdevelop, and Eclipse can be installed easily. Docker support, Git SSH utilities, virtualization software, and container technologies are all readily accessible, making Neptune suitable for software development, web development, and system administration tasks. Content creators can also benefit from Neptune's stable platform. Applications such as Blender for 3D modeling, Kdenlive for video editing, OBS Studio for streaming and recording, Audacity for audio editing, and Inkscape for vector graphics all perform reliably. While some creators may prefer rolling release distributions for the newest software versions, many professionals appreciate Neptune's emphasis on stability, especially when working on important projects where reliability matters more than having the absolute latest features. Gaming support has improved significantly across Linux in recent years, and Neptune 9.1 benefits from that progress. Steam installs easily, Proton allows thousands of Windows games to run surprisingly well, and compatibility with modern graphics drivers continues to improve. Lutris and Heroic Games Launcher are also available for users who enjoy games from multiple platforms. While Linux gaming isn't perfect for every title, Neptune provides a solid foundation for casual and even serious gamers. Resource usage is another pleasant surprise. Neptune manages memory efficiently while keeping background processes under control. Idle RAM consumption remains relatively low for a modern KDE desktop, leaving more system resources available for applications. CPU usage stays minimal during normal desktop operation, contributing to better battery life on laptops and quieter operation on desktop systems. These optimizations help Neptune perform well across a wide range of hardware configurations. Customization enthusiasts will appreciate KDE Plasma's incredible flexibility. Almost every aspect of the desktop can be modified, including panels, widgets, themes, fonts, icons, animations, shortcuts, window behavior, and workspace layouts. Neptune provides an attractive default appearance, but never restricts users from making the desktop entirely their own. Whether you prefer a Windows-like workflow, a macOS-inspired layout, or something completely unique, Plasma makes those changes easy. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of Neptune 9.1 is how complete the overall experience feels. Many Linux distributions excel in one area while requiring compromises elsewhere. Neptune instead delivers a balanced package. It offers stability without feeling outdated, modern software without sacrificing reliability, visual polish without excessive resource consumption, and extensive customization without becoming complicated. That combination makes it suitable for beginners, experienced Linux users, professionals, students, and anyone looking for a dependable daily operating system. Of course, no Linux distribution is perfect. Because Neptune prioritizes stability, some software versions may not always be the absolute newest available in traditional repositories. Users who always want bleeding-edge desktop environments or the latest kernel releases may prefer rolling release distributions such as Arch Linux or OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. However, for many users, stability is actually a feature rather than a limitation, especially when the system is expected to perform consistently every day. Overall, Neptune 9.1 demonstrates that a Linux distribution doesn't need flashy marketing or constant radical changes to remain relevant. By refining an already solid formula, the developers have created an operating system that feels mature, polished, and dependable. The KDE Plasma desktop looks fantastic. Debian provides an exceptionally stable foundation. Hardware support continues to improve. Software availability remains excellent, and the overall user experience is smooth from installation to daily use. If you're looking for a Linux distribution that combines beauty, reliability, performance, and practicality in one package, Neptune 9.1 is absolutely worth trying. It may not generate the same headlines as some of the larger Linux projects, but after spending time with this release, it's clear that Neptune continues to quietly deliver one of the most refined desktop experiences available in the Linux ecosystem today.